What if every single tree on Earth vanished right now? Within minutes, Earth's oxygen production collapses entirely. Global temperature begins rising as heat trap mechanisms fail completely. Photosynthesis stops. The green lungs of Earth go silent forever. Animals lose shelter and shade instantly. Predators and prey panic. Extreme heat waves begin cooking the planet alive without shade. Weather systems collapse. Hurricanes form. Tornadoes multiply across continents. Ocean phytoplankton and algae collapse without sunlight reaching through. Food chains collapse immediately. Herbivores starve within hours. Carbon dioxide begins accumulating at dangerous levels. Suffocation accelerates. Without tree roots, soil erosion accelerates into catastrophic washouts. The water cycle breaks. No evaporation, no rainfall, no fresh water. Soil nutrients deplete rapidly. Microbiota dies. Earth becomes infertile. Biodiversity catastrophe. Millions of species extinct within hours. Oxygen levels drop below survivable limits. Breathing becomes impossible. Atmospheric composition shifts. Oxygen replaced by expanding nitrogen and toxins. Magnetic field weakening. Solar radiation now reaches Earth's surface directly. UV radiation now unfiltered. Skin burns instantly. DNA damage accelerates. Global temperature spikes to 60 degrees Celsius. All remaining life cooks. Weather becomes so violent, human weather prediction becomes impossible. Ecosystems collapse in cascade. Every biome fails simultaneously. Human systems collapse, power grids fail, communication ceases, society breaks. Cities become furnaces. Temperatures inside urban areas exceed 70 degrees. Water systems become poisoned, groundwater contaminated. No fresh water remains. Diseases explode without immunological defenses from decomposing ecosystems. Survivors scatter into chaotic bands. Civilization completely fragments. 12 hours in, civilization as we knew it ceases to exist entirely. Hour 23. Trees begin to return. Life starts its desperate resurrection. Hour 24. The nightmare ends. Earth recovers. Ecosystems stabilize. Life persists. Earth survived, but at what cost? What if it happens again? Follow the Informer.